So, 'tis the season for income taxes? Not quite, but believe it or not, it is time to start thinking about them. News 10's Ashley Carrasco joins us in the News Center with more on how your holiday investments can give you a big break during tax season.
That's right, Rick. The holiday season is all about giving, so why not receive? If you pick the right gifts and document the right donations, tax experts say in the end you could get a bigger tax reduction.
From the parties to the shopping, even down to the cooking, the holiday season can leave a huge hole in your wallet. But tax experts say all of the money you're spending on others could actually come back to you. Pat Hurley has worked with the IRS for more than a decade. He says if you're investing in hundreds of dollars in donations and gifts, it's time to start documenting.
If they give a check for over $250 to any organization, charitable organization, they have to get a receipt to prove the deduction. Otherwise, the IRS could disallow the tax deduction.
Goodwill is just one of the many charitable organizations across the region. The vice president of retail and operations in Medford says each holiday season the business sees a spike in donations. And while all gifts should come from the heart, she hopes a tax deduction will encourage more people to donate.
It's an added incentive. You know, it is extra work. You know, you can choose to throw it away or you can choose to make a difference.
For those who feel getting credit for the donations defeats the purpose of the deed, Susie Lewis says the gifts go beyond the money.
That being able to recycle, which is what we're doing, you know, we're giving it another life and moving it on. I think that's an important aspect of it also, beyond the donation, the tax deductible donation.
Hurley, on the other hand, reminds people to really put some thought into what you give to the charities.
Stuff that you own for 10 years, the value is not the same as it was 10 years ago. So, I mean, it's like saying, what was a person willing to buy?
The math adds up. If you spend the bucks to help others now, your generosity can pay you back later.
There are, of course, exceptions and rules to getting these tax breaks. The IRS also announced today that the 2014 tax filing season will start on January 31st. Covering your news, Ashley Carrasco, News 10.